Welcome to the Gold and Silver Report. I apologize for the break in postings, but I took a much-needed vacation for a few days. Today, December 10th, 2025, gold closed at $4,227.50 per ounce, up just slightly from my last report on December 4th. Silver roared to a new record price of $61.75 an ounce. As usual, the bulls and bears each trotted out their analyses and prognostications. For example, gold's reaction to the Federal Reserve's 25 basis point cut in the interest rate, or just a mere 0.25%, was ho-hum with little change in the price. Though the Fed's action was never certain, the market had baked a most likely scenario for a cut into the gold price. It will be interesting to see what happens in the rest of the week as gold market digests this news and others. Bears are predicting that gold will remain flat because the high price will lessen demand. That seems fairly logical, but we'll see if that plays out in reality. Silver rose $1.15 to a new record high of $61.75. This was unexpected, though some experts have predicted a $65 price in the near term. As usual, the bears were out with the same rationale as for gold, that the high prices will depress demand, but we heard a new one today. Slowing growth in the photovoltaic industry will stall the price of silver, and perhaps even worse, manufacturers of photovoltaic components will begin looking for alternatives to silver, which will further curtail demand. Anecdotally, a friend asked me today about the high price of silver and if now was a good time to sell his family's sterling silver flatware. Now, this is from someone who doesn't really need the money, but it tells me that some people are reacting to the double whammy of record silver prices and the slowing economy. Certainly, they're hearing about the high price of silver in the news. As people dump their silver stashes, such as my friend's sterling silver, the increase in supply could end the silver squeeze. Nevertheless, as I said in a previous report, the backlog at the refineries means that sellers may not get as much as they had hoped for relative to the silver price. Let me know in the comments below where you think gold and silver are headed and why. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope to see you in future podcasts. Please consider helping us grow the channel by subscribing and leaving a like.